Okay, good afternoon, good evening, or good morning if you're watching this video from any of those time zones. I'm going to show you some drawings that I have done today, managed to do today. And there are some doors. And the first one I'm going to show you is this door right here. You can see here with different linings and the handle there you can turn with the knob. So this is the first drawing I've done. And the second drawing I'm going to show you are these ones right over here. These two doors, different style doors. Depending on how you look at them. This way it looks better. These two doors with a handle here, and then you got a glass door here. Probably use them most houses today. This is the second drawing I'm going to show you. Here from this first drawing right here. And finally, I'm going to show you these doors right here. You can see here, different style of doors here. Now, I didn't get a chance to draw these lines here. So, those are my sketches for today. Show you more in a future video.